Provincial, you give now only advanced wishes.
To sister Vandana.
Oh, അങ്ങനെയാണോ മാച്ച് ഫിക്സിംഗ്?
താങ്ക് യു. എല്ലാം കേട്ടു. മോളെ നിന്നെ പാപ്പനൊക്കെ പോകുമ്പോൾ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്യാം, ആ വഴിയല്ല.
വളരെ മെമ്മറിക്ക് ഏറ്റവും നല്ലതാണ് അൾസീമേഴ്സ് വരിയത്.
ഞാനും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്
അൾസീമേഴ്സ് വരിയത് ഓൾറെഡി ഉണ്ട്.
വീഡിയോ ഷൂട്ടിങ്ങാ?
പക്ഷേ ആ വീഡിയോ വരില്ല.
He's been taking the videos from all kinds.
അറിയില്ല.
You said you want to take the offer. That is also there. Okay.
ഫോട്ടോ കിട്ടും. ഇവിടെ എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? റസ്മാൻറ്റി ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
out of margin, outside the margin.
വെൽക്കം.
Auntie needs a separate light.
No problem. No. Brightness will come from here.
Brightness is going towards right.
ഹായ്.
Just swan.
Who is nobody is in this? അതെപ്പോഴാന്ന് ഒരു കാല് പൊക്കി നിൽക്കുന്ന എപ്പോഴാ? ഒരു കാലം എപ്പോഴാ പൊക്കി അവര് പോവാ.
ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരാം മക്കളെ.
Come here.
നാനിഷ്ടല്ല.
ജോ സൈഡിലേക്ക്
ബർത്ത്ഡേ
ക്ലിക്ക് അനി
ബോൺ പോയത്
This is also
ജീവന കഴിഞ്ഞ
Love in your eyes, sitting silent by my side, going on, holding hands, walking through the night. Hold me up, hold me tight, lift me up to touch the sky, teaching me to love without, helping me open my mind. I can fly, I'm proud that I can fly, to give the best of mine till the end of the time. Believe me, I can fly. I'm swinging in the sky. Show you the best of mine. The heaven in the sky. Thank you. Can't you believe that you light up?
കേക്ക് ആൻറ്റി
No matter how that is my path, I will never lose my faith. See me fly, I'm proud that I can fly, to give the best of mine till the end of the time. Believe me, I can fly, I'm standing in the sky, show you the best of mine, the heaven in the sky.
So I invite speak English. Come on, Sirlete. ഇല്ലില്ല ഓട്ടം എല്ലാം വേണ്ട നിൽക്കണം
പേരപ്പം സംസാരിക്കുക
മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞത് എങ്ങനെ വന്നു
So thanks for gathering here. So this is an auspicious occasion. So we congratulate Andy for securing the scores whichever was needed for language, to learn language.
Yes, that was
That is
great
first
thing.
of one milestone she has crossed. So congratulations on that. And secondly, I always congratulate you for taking that bold step of learning a new language at this age, because
She's too young.
it's in very young age. So it's a number. Basically, it's a number. That's it. So till the end of the life, we keep tend to learn many things. So it's a learning stage. So again, on that's on another feather on your cap. So congratulate you. So yeah, it's a great achievement, and we wish you all the success in your future endeavors in Germany, and keep your smile the same way, and all the best, and keep us in your prayers, and we will be connecting you virtually. So we'll be connecting you very regularly. So that is what we can assure you now. So all the success and all the prayers our prayers are with you. So I thank Father Kongambuya for arranging this occasion and having us Holy Mass by Father Nelson as well. So and for arranging this get together by Papan. So we thank you for that. So for Sainish being part of this, and Molly Andy as well. So thanks for your concerns, and we are really grateful to you. So once again, congratulations and happy journey. So,
We are going to miss you.
Only father can understand.
yeah.
ഷൈന് പറഞ്ഞാണ് പോയത്.
And afterwards discussed with my Joy Chapin that I and everybody together has come to this day, and it is a beautiful day, and I feel lots of strength and prayer I get from my family. It's and I know two people are above in heaven, and it is their blessing that we are all together. Behind all this, their blessings are there. That's why this happened. So I extend my thanks to all of you, my beloved.
Thank you. The German, two lines.
I appreciate Father Nelson who has taken so much effort to come. I know what a difficulty to drive them part of midnight and reaching here.
From Bellary.
I always been, I know Father's support and his prayer and concern towards me and my mission, especially Mosque, I have experienced, and same thing is continued. So thank you so much, Father. I always say then I also thank Shainu and Priyanka family, and I know you are part of our family. So coming today and being with us, I thank you. And I thank my friend Nancy here. She also became a part of our family. So each one of you I thank everybody by name. Cyril family, Anil family, of course Jerry is here, we are missing Sophie and baby. So like that, yeah. Benny and Lisa, children, and Regina, Nehal Gutta, and of course we are missing Dali and Cindy and babies. Of course we met Serena in online. So thank you so much. I'm strengthened by you all. And Molly. So thank you for coming here. Thank you so much. She has a lot of program on Sundays. Being a youth animator of the diocese, she has got lots of programs to get in all the things she's here. And like that. So each one of you, I extend my gratitude and thanks.
No, all that is okay. How much euro you are going to send each one of them? That you tell us. ಇಲ್ಲ. So like tension. Anybody want to speech?
Papa, Mr. Sebastian P.S. Joy Adapulli.
want to greet you all.
ഹലോ ഹായ് കൈക്കിട്ട് കൊത്തു കിട്ടും കൊത്തിയ ഒരു കൊത്ത് തന്നെ കിട്ടും നല്ല പോലെ കൈക്കിട്ട് കൊത്തൂടെ മോനെ ഹായ് 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 എന്നെ മുഖം കണ്ട ഹായ് ഡിയർ ഹായ് ഡിയർ
എടുക്കുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ ഫോട്ടോ.
നിനക്ക് 5 പേരുള്ള
മാർക്ക് മാർക്ക് സൈഡ് വ്യൂ ഒക്കെ കൊടുത്തേ അതെന്നെ എടുക്കും പപ്പേ ഈ ഫേസ് ഒന്ന് കാണട്ടെ
എന്നെ പരിചയമുള്ള മാതിരി കാണിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
വേണ്ടെന്ന് ഇല്ല അവരെ കാണാൻ അവരുടെ മുഖം കണ്ട ഒരു സ്മൈലിംഗ്
ഭയങ്കര അവർ ഭയങ്കര ഇതായിട്ടോ പിന്നെ അവിടെ നല്ല
ജോ ബേബി
ഞാൻ തൊട്ടു